here.
I think it's windmilling a little bit.
Yep, you're gonna have to go to power right away if you're gonna try to get up there.
Let me get out of your way.
Go ahead. Careful.
Get off the bank. Just going to take off. Yeah, a little windy for that little model.
Hey, Jack. Yeah.
Hey, Gary, hold on.
You gotta reverse. It's gonna go down the wind fast, so you better aim for down there somewhere. Oh, maybe it'll flip over. Come on. Wind, come on. Yes!
What, your airplane flip over?
Yeah, but now it flipped itself back over.
But
Now I can't get turned around. I was gonna let it blow me back.
I think I'm in park gear.
Huh?
I think I'm in park.
I'm stuck again.
You're kidding.
At the moss out there.
Yeah, you ran into a moss pad with the wind like this. You can't see them.
Yep. Is that the same thing Gary's
Gary's got the big one.
The big one?
Yeah, he's got the bigger one than this. This is the UMX version.
That's the little one.
Did you get up?
Take on any water, or can you tell? Still working.
Pretty fast on the downwind, ain't it? Of course, the sun's right in my eyes now.
Oh, they are both the same, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we had a rash of UMX Timbers up here.
There we go. Take that control stuff off so I can do fun stuff.
Yeah, I don't even know how to set my safe mode.
It's already there. It's on your gear channel, unless you did something to stop it.
I use the gear channel for throttle cut.
Well,
So-
you may it may be doing both then. You may only have one setting then, because you may
Yeah.
go to safe mode when you hit throttle cut.
Uh-huh.
Because this little UMX receiver expects to see channel 5. Well, whatever switch is controlling channel 5. If it's actually on channel 5,
I
then
don't know. You have to look at that for me.
if it's doing throttle cut, it's probably doing both. I'll bet you.
Yeah.
Can you do like a loop or
Me?
full
Yeah,
roll?
yeah.
So it's not in safe mode. Okay, it's
Oh,
just
no.
in AS3X mode. Because safe mode wouldn't let you do that.
Yeah.
So you watch this, Vern. If I do this, right? So this is in AS3X mode. I can do a nice loop, no problem.
Yeah.
I kick in safe mode. I'm gonna pull full up.
Those damn hover
It
flies.
says
It just says nope.
Yeah, I got it. I don't
I wonder if I can make it do it because of the wind. Nope. And it won't let you bank about that far right there, so I took it off.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's nice when a little tiny plane like this, when it's really windy out, you can get away with some stuff. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to do it probably.
I don't know.
So it's fun to have it. Just keep it on the switch.
I mean, if you're going to park it in the air, then maybe turn it on, and that helps.
It's always got AS3X mode, which means it's fighting the wind gust from like making it flip around too much.
Yeah.
But it doesn't stop any commanded motion. It only
Oh,
stops
okay.
uncommanded motions.
Well, then I don't
So it
mind
helps
that.
it fly a lot nicer in the wind like this. A little plane like this, if you took it totally off, I guarantee you'd be seeing it going, "Ooh, ooh, ooh," you know. It would be nervous. You know?
Oh yeah. Those
You going out to the field tomorrow?
No, I got to be elsewhere tomorrow. I'm down to Bedford. With your mom.
My uproar is ready to play.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Again, it took me 4 hours to figure out where that screen was.
Where that what was?
The screen that
Oh.
tells you how to change the slot to 3 for the telemetry module.
Uh-huh.
I fought that for 3 hours again. I probably can't find it again. But once you find it, you don't have to change it.
What size battery? I'm running the 280, I think.
I got a 300. I bought a 430 for this, flew it for 15 minutes yesterday, and it still had 3.9 volts.
You mean to say it goes pretty fast when the weeds aren't clogging up the top. People would be concerned with how much dirt is on it. Yeah, he's got a litter sheet.
What a landing look like?
A dead stop if you're into the wind.
Yeah. Really don't even need any flap, do I?
You got the slats on yours?
On the bottom now.
Did you put
Slats?
the slats on?
I don't think I even got the slats in the box.
Oh, they're in there. Well, mine were anyway. They're taped up against the side in the little triangle compartment, so you may not have seen them.
Yeah, I guess I
They're
just
pretty
didn't.
invisible.
Yeah, I'm not going to use them.
Huh?
I'm not going to use them.
Yeah. It does.
This-
I don't have them on, but they have them in the box.
Remember that when I get old and need help. Gene? Gene.
Little wind bumping it
Remember that
around.
when I get older and need help.
Okay.
Like that.
I come back out here, it's going to be an air bill.
Oh.
I get a book.
Well, a lot of, this is the worst we've been out here with the
There's
moth.
never been any moth on it before. It's always
Okay, there's full flap. Near miss. You almost got me. Or I almost
I
got
knew
you.
I was under you.
Yeah.
I saw
Come
it.
on, airplane, settled in. One thing about it. Whoop.
Don't do like I did.
Uh-oh.
Oh, oh. Got a rake. Oh, no, it's gonna.
There you go. Now you're clear.
It's windmilling. Yeah, I got a little.
Have a rudder?
No rudders on it. Uh-oh, we didn't like that, did it?
Yeah, just jam the pot.
Yeah.
Well, it's all grass. It doesn't like it.
Well, darn it.
I just wait, maybe it'll back up from that. It's turned around now. There you go.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get it.
Just let her back up. You
Trying
keep
it.
giving it lots of ailerons, but you need to give it rudder.
I am giving it full rudder, but there's no
Water rudder.
yeah, no water rudder.
Nope, they don't have water rudder. Well, let me, if I can land and get in here, then I'll take my big airplane out and push the tugboat loose. Maybe he can help you. Want to get it back here?
Yeah, it's
If
going the
my
right
airplane doesn't
direction.
turn over
There
again.
you
Just let it float out of there.
Yeah, let it float out and then get situated.
Yeah. Just let it get off the water. Downwind takeoff. A little hairy. But I got it. Steve, you there?
He's behind you.
Yeah. I think he's sleeping.
Good job.
There we go.
Okay.
Yay.
These 300 milliamp batteries.
Successful landing, crash, takeoff, everything.
All in one flight.
Yeah.
Okay, here's full flaps. Gonna drop her in. Let her come down.
And then just keep taxiing.
Splash.
Get in. Keep power on it.
Perfect. Good job.
Right up
Power
there.
on it.
Okay.